Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the name for comments and markups in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you need to update your identity on shared documents or correct how your name appears in collaborative reviews. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file where you want to change the name for comments and markups. This will open your document in the main workspace. Now, in the upper left toolbar, click on Menu and select View. From the View options, select Show/Hide. This opens up additional panel options that aren't always visible by default. Next, click on Side Panels and then select Comment. This action will open the comment panel on the right side of your screen. In the right panel, you'll now see all the comments that have been added to your PDF file. Take a moment to locate the specific comment whose author name you want to change. Click on that comment and you'll notice 3 dotted lines appear beside it. Click on those 3 dots and select Properties from the drop-down menu that appears. A Properties window will pop up on your screen. Click on the General tab if it's not already selected. Here, you'll see various details about the comment, including the author field. Navigate to the Author section and rename the author's name to whatever you prefer. Once you've made the change, click OK to apply it. The comment will now display the new author name you've entered. Now, if you want to change the author's name for multiple comments at once, there's a much faster way to do this. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding it, click on all the comments you want to modify. This allows you to select multiple comments simultaneously. With all your desired comments selected, click the 3 dotted lines beside any of them and select Properties. Just like before, click on the General tab in the Properties window that appears, navigate to the Author field and rename the author's name. This single change will apply to all the comments you selected. Click OK to confirm the changes, and you'll see that all those comments now display the updated author name. Finally, to ensure your changes are saved to the document, look to the upper right corner and click the Save button. This locks in all the modifications you've made to the comment author names. And that's it. You've successfully changed the name for comments and markups in your PDF, whether for a single comment or multiple ones at once. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.